Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI shows some weakness after it was actually performing quite well like yesterday, while Bitcoin was still, hovering or moving sideways. SUI actually all week has been moving up until basically yesterday and started a bit of a decline there. And this seems to be pretty much in line currently with the yellow scenario, which I already mentioned a few days ago is quite probable. Let me just double check something here in parallel. I did highlight it on Tuesday in a signal to our gold members, in which I said that the depth of the decline which happened here, makes it likely that at least the yellow scenario is unfolding with support at 75 cents. A break below 75 cents would open the door to new bear market lows. The trend line, obviously here, could offer some additional support going forward. And yeah, my commentary in addition to that is obviously that the chart history on this chart is very limited. So Elliott wave doesn't really have any predictive qualities here, but we have some levels that we can watch for risk management. And one more comment I made then in that signal, in that update, was it seems unlikely that the $1.03 support level, or call it $1.025, holds even though support is not yet broken, and SUI is one of the few coins that shows some green candles. So the thing is, it came down very deep, okay? Even for a fourth wave here in the white scenario, which allows one more high to round about $1.58, maybe even $1.83, it just came down a little bit too much for a reliable fourth wave. Also, the move down wasn't clearly a three-wave move. Could have been a five-wave move. And therefore I said that, I prefer the yellow count. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. Possible. I mean, the white count isn't invalidated, don't get me wrong. But whenever I have two counts and I have a reason to favor the one that projects a bit lower, I would favor that. Just from a risk management point of view, you can always have a different view. And if you have a different view, I mean, the fib levels are objective. Okay, so you can always use the fibs. Likelihood is, though, that anybody who found an entry in this box would have been in profit anyway, might have read that signal, I don't know, taken some partial profits or whatever, but this was the area where support should have been found. The market should have attempted a reversal. It did that, but did not break above the high. Not saying it couldn't do that, but I just want to highlight the risk here of the yellow count. And obviously, the yellow count will be confirmed with a break below that last low at $1.01. However, we already get an earlier signal, which is a break below the 78.6 retrace of that rally. It's not much higher, but it's at $1.07. So a sustained break below the $1.07 level would confirm that C wave. Until then, I mean, of course, the fifth wave to the upside could unfold. In reality, we can't really say which one it is at the moment, right? The micro count is quite messy, or let's say the microstructure. This isn't clearly impulsive. I can't add a micro count here, so that doesn't give us additional edge. So literally, if you're looking for higher, you can use the $1.01 level or $1.07 level as micro support. And please note that we need to break above resistance as well. So I can draw a Fibonacci resistance range here. And the market reacted to the area between the 61.8 retracement and the 78.6 retracement. A break above $1.35 is needed to shift probabilities towards the white count, I would say, because that's the key level. I mean, a B wave can overshoot, don't get me wrong, but it shifts probabilities already. Okay, so that's sort of my idea. I mean, generally, don't get me wrong, in both scenarios, another high seems likely. Now I shouldn't say that, because Elliott wave, again, with such a short chart history, there's literally no predictive quality. However, we have some levels for risk management, and I should say that as long as the 75-cent level is holding, it's a reasonable expectation to watch for one more high, and that could be, okay, we might get one more high in wave 3, which is the white count, then a wave 4, then a wave 5, or this is already the larger degree fourth wave, and then we get a wave 5. A break below 75 cents, and I literally haven't got anything clearly bullish left. Even what I've got on the chart right now is obviously a bit questionable. but at least we have some levels for risk management. We've got the trend line we can use, structural support, resistance, that all adds up, supports the Elliott wave analysis, which obviously is limited naturally because the data that we have is limited as well. That's my update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.